I'm done. Good morning and welcome back. This winter just doesn't want to leave us alone. We've had quite a few days of nice weather. I was rather certain that the spring is coming, and all of a sudden it's freezing again. The other week I was able to pull the rear suspension, the fuel tank car underneath. At least it's pretty much clear now. My idea for this week, the wiring out, probably prepare the garage, clean it up a bit, make a bit more room in it, and then yes, I can bring the car inside. This is how cold it is today. Go away, winter. Hey, I don't know where to start today, but I think I'm gonna begin with the wiring in the engine bay, as I still got some things in the garage that needs to out of here, but unfortunately I'm still waiting for some parts, the brake caliper to be exact, for my transporter. Yeah, it's only been 10 days, so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'll start with a bunch of pictures because I'm not able to memorize everything, and then I can remove the passenger side wiring, and from there probably the C100 loom, which is this one here on the driver's side. Yeah, let's begin then. I'm done for today. It is way too cold and it's snowing now.
The next morning.
It just won't stop snowing, so I'm gonna have to get creative here. I did it. It's inside now, and just what? Snowing just stopped. But never mind. At least I can protect myself from wind now. So yeah, let's crack on again. So I did the passenger side of the camera as my GoPro just died. I've used all the battery on moving the car into the garage. Anyways, yeah, most of the wires on the passenger side is gone now. What do I have to leave? So the main thing is the gearbox connection, yeah, which goes from the ECU to the gearbox. Otherwise the gearbox just won't be able to work. The other thing that I've got here, it's the fuel pump, as I'm leaving the original fuel pump in it, just in case I will change my mind in the future and go for the ELS swap or something like that. And yeah, other than that, it's just the vacuum and the main wire, the main feed. So yeah, one side is done. Yeah, I think I'll go for the driver's side now, the C100 block, and then I can remove all of the remaining bits and bobs, such as brake booster and the aircon. There you go, the IC unit is gone. Bit of a surprise because it was completely empty, so there was no aircon in it. The brake booster is gone. I still got quite a few wires left, but as I said before, you know, it's just something that I'm gonna leave here for now anyways. So yeah, I think it was a big achievement for the day. Almost done, and it starts snowing again, so I'm just gonna give it a quick blast with a jet wash, Yeah, and that's me done for today. There you go, guys. That is it for today's video. It's been a long one for me. It was a cold day. It's snowing again. But I did everything here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.